Current 2024, Nile, take one.
LinkedIn, take one.
Pinterest, take one.
Bloomberg, take one.
Can you please introduce yourself and tell us where you work?
Yes, I'm Gwen Shapira. I'm a co-founder of Nile.
My name is Vahid Hashemian, and I am a software engineer and tech lead at Pinterest.
My name is Sumedh Sakdev. I'm a senior staff software engineer at LinkedIn.
I'm Madhuri Jain and I'm a senior software engineer at Bloomberg.
So what sort of things are you working on at Bloomberg?
I specifically deal with derivatives market data.
My team manages the PubSub platform at Pinterest.
I'm a creator of Open House. It's an open source control plane for managing Apache Iceberg tables.
We're building serverless Postgres for modern software as a service applications.
Can you tell us a little bit more about sort of the motivations behind the company?
You know, databases haven't changed in 40 years, but the kind of applications that we're building changed a lot. Why are databases staying the same?
Our long-term mission has been to provide our users with a reliable and efficient planet-scale PubSub platform.
Our low latency derivatives data streaming pipelines that I built are designed to keep up with this ever increasing flow of data.
And a lot of it is really driven by our users. They need it to be more scalable, they need it to be faster, they need new ways of processing data.
One thing this kind of a technology enables to not think about storage layouts, rather they can continue to focus on their streaming applications and the high throughput ingestion of their data.
What does that mean for the people who are actually working with these streams of data?
I myself worked on stream ingestion pipelines, and I see Open House as an enabler for data streaming engineers.
We especially have seen a great shift towards the streaming applications, and because of that, we do call ourselves as data streaming engineers.
So would you say that you're a data streaming engineer?
Of course, I'm a data streaming engineer.
In a way, you can say that we're seeing the rise of data streaming engineers.